My name is Derek Josie. I live here in Baldwin, New York. The reason why I hired Healthy Basement is because I was having problems with mold on my basement, mildew, and I had some cracking, and I had some puddles after big storms in my basement. That's when I started doing research, and over the years I've been always watching Healthy Basement, and I said if I ever had my basement done, I would possibly hire them. My experience with the team has been great. I mean, from everybody, from the people in the office. I think it was Maria, talking to her, having her cracking jokes, or listening to my corny jokes. To Paul, Mike and Paul. Mike, was just taking what I was telling him, what I would like to have, and making it happen. Actually, you really couldn't visualize it when you saw the drawings, but to see everything come together. And then from the team, from Paul and his crew, with the plumbers and the electricians, everybody just actually, treated you so good to where, you didn't feel like you was asking for something not out of the ordinary. They made it happen. I still can't believe this is actually my basement, because the amount of space and livable space to where you can come down here and you can entertain, with your family and your friends. And I would recommend them to anyone. They can call me. I'll tell them. You will not have a bad experience from the beginning to the end. Especially during these times right now, for them to come through and complete a job like this during times where I'm sure that everybody was doing some home improvements, but they made me feel like I was the only one that they were working for.